Hi everyone! We meet again. I hope everyone is fine. Today we are here to continue with our lesson. Let's watch the video. Hi everyone! Our topics for today is fractions. In this video, we are going to see what is 1/2, half or 1/2, and quarter. To learn this, I'm going to use a slice of bread as an example. Now, I have one slice of bread. This bread is 1/2 because I didn't cut or divide the slice of bread yet. So, this slice of bread is called 1/2. 1/2. Now, let's see what is half. A half means when I cut or divide an object into two equal parts. I can cut the slice of bread this way and get two equal parts. I can even cut this way to get two equal parts, or this way. I'm going to cut this way. Now I have cut a slice of bread into two and I have two equal parts. 1, 2. One part would mean 1/2, half, or 1/2. And the other part would mean another half, 1/2, or 1/2. Half, half. So this slice of bread is called half. The last one is quarter. A quarter means cutting or dividing an object into 4 equal parts. I can cut the slice of bread this way and this way to get 4 parts, or cut this way and this way to get 4 parts. I'm going to cut a slice of bread this way and this way. Ta-da! Now I have 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4 equal parts, which means each part is 1/4. A quarter, a quarter, a quarter, and a quarter. Now, when we put it together again, it will be 1/2.
Hello children, now I am going to teach you about fraction. This is a whole circle. If I were to cut the circle into 2 parts of equal sizes, this will be 1/2, half. This part is 1/2, half. 1/2, 1/2. If we were to put it together again, it will be 1/2. 1/2, half. 1/2, half. Put it together, 1/2. Now, I am going to discuss with you about quarter.
Q-U-A-R-T-E-R,
quarter. This is 1/2. If I were to cut it into 4 equal sizes, this will be 1/4. Quarter, 1/4. A quarter, 1/4. A quarter, and 1/4. A quarter. If we will to put it together again, this will become one whole. Quarter, a quarter, a quarter, and a quarter. Put it together again, it will be one whole. Let's recap. Half. Put it together again, one whole. A quarter, a quarter, a quarter, a quarter. Put it together again, you will get one whole.
Please take out this book.
Okay children, today we are going to learn about a new topic, fractions. In Bahasa Malaysia, it is pecahan. You have watched the video just now, so I hope it will be able to help you to understand further when we do the exercises. Okay? Now, turn to page 22. Read the instruction with me. Color half of each of the following shape. Warnakan setengah daripada bentuk-bentuk berikut. What is symmetry? Something is symmetrical when it is the same on both sides. A shape has symmetry if a central dividing line can be drawn on it. Look at this example. And this line can show both sides of the shape are exactly the same. Symmetry. So let's draw the symmetrical line first. Right. Now you have two of equal sizes in this picture. Now what shape is this?
Square.
Square. So we are going to color half of the square. So let's start coloring. Half. Next, what shape is this?
A circle.
A circle. Now we have to draw the symmetrical line so that we can divide this circle into two equal sizes. And let's color half of it. Half. Now the last shape is a diamond shape. And let's draw the symmetrical line to get an equal size of shape. Let's color half of the shape. Half. Good job. Turn to page 23. On this page, we are going to identify a quarter. You have watched the video just now, so let's try and apply your understanding. For a quarter, we have to draw two symmetrical lines. 1, 2. That will give us an equal sizes of 4 shapes. Now what shape is this?
Square.
Square. The instruction is color a quarter of each of the following shapes. Warnakan suku daripada bentuk-bentuk berikut. Now we have already drawn the symmetrical lines and we have to color a quarter. This is a quarter. Only this shaded area. Now let's color. quarter. Look at the second shape. What shape is this?
Circle.
Circle. Now let's do two symmetrical lines. 1, 2. Now we have 4 equal shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4. A quarter is only 1 over 4, which is this part here. This is a quarter. Let's color. A quarter. The last shape is a diamond shape. Let's draw two symmetrical lines. 1, 2. This will give us 4 equal shapes. And a quarter is this part over here. A quarter. Let's color. A quarter. Okay children, let's continue with more exercises on fractions. Turn to page 24. Now this exercise on this page is a little bit tricky, but it is okay. Try and understand it together, yeah? Now, the instruction is circle the shapes that have half the shape colored correctly. In bahasa Malaysia, bulatkan bentuk di mana setengah daripada bentuk tersebut diwarnakan dengan betul. Now, how do we do this exercise? Most important in fraction, you have to draw a symmetrical line so that you can get a shape that is of equal sizes. Now look at this shape over here. What shape is this?
Triangle.
A triangle. So in order to get an equal size of the shapes, we have to draw a symmetrical line. So in this shape, let's draw a symmetrical line over here. For half of the shape, this is half, or this whole part here is half. The colored part here is only this part, not the whole part over here. So is this correct?
No.
No, this is not correct. Yeah, this is not correct. Now moving on. This shape over here. Let's draw the symmetrical line. After we have drawn the symmetrical line, this colored part over here is the same as the one over here, of equal size. So is this half of the shape?
Yes.
Yes. Therefore, take a pencil and circle this picture because it is correct. This is half of the shape. Do you understand?
Yes.
Good. Now let's look at the third picture. Look at this shape over here. The symmetrical line is over here. Does this give exactly the same size?
Yes.
Yes. This is half. The shaded area here, the colored area here is half of the shape and it is of the same size. So is this shape colored half correctly?
Yes.
Yes. Take a pencil and circle. Look at the heart shape over here. Let's draw the symmetrical line. The symmetrical line will give us two of half sizes that is equal of this heart. But the colored part is only over here, not the whole part. So is this colored part here correctly showing half of the shape?
No.
No, this is not right. Okay, moving on. This shape over here. This is the colored part. But if we were to draw a symmetrical line that will give us equal sizes on both sides, like this, this is of the equal size, up here and down here. But the colored part is this part. So does it show you half of the shape?
No.
No, this is not correct. Look at this shape over here. This is the symmetrical line. It gives you exactly the same size on both sides of the shapes. And the colored part is half. Is this correctly showing half of the shape?
Yes.
Yes. So let's circle this picture. Now try this part over here. The shaded area is this part only. If we were to draw a symmetrical line, the part over here is not showing half of the shape. So this colored area does not show half of the shape. Look at the star. The symmetrical line is over here, giving us equal sizes on both sides, and the colored area is half. So this is showing half the shape of colored area correctly. So let's circle this. Alright children, moving on, we are going to identify shaded area that is showing a quarter. Remember, a quarter must have 4 equal sizes in the shape. Look at the first example. This is a triangle which had been divided into 4 equal sizes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And the shaded area here is correctly shaded to show a quarter. So this is correct. Now look at the second picture here. This is a rectangle and it had been divided into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But you look at the shaded area here. It is bigger than this one and this one as well, but of the same size with the first box. Therefore, this shaded area number 4 here does not show quarter correctly because the size are not the same. Okay, so we do not put a tick here. Now look at this shape over here. This is a circle and it had been divided into 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. But you look at the sizes, they are not the same. This is big. This is slightly smaller, and this is the smallest as compared to this. Therefore, this shaded area here does not show a quarter correctly. Now look at the shape here. This is a star which had been divided into 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Are all the sizes of the same size?
Yes.
Yes. So the shaded area here is showing a quarter correctly. Put a tick. Look at this shape over here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the shaded area over here is showing a quarter correctly. Put a tick here. Look at this shape. It had been divided into 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Are they of the equal sizes?
Yes.
Yes. Therefore, the shaded area here is showing a quarter correctly. Put a tick. Now look at the shape over here. The square has been divided into 1, 2, 3, and 4. But are the sizes equal?
No.
No. And the shaded area here did not show quarter correctly. So we do not put a tick. Now look at the diagram here. It had been divided into 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Are all the sizes equal?
Yes.
Yes, and look at the shaded area here. It is showing a quarter correctly. Turn to page 26. Match the fractions to the correct picture. Can you spell this for me?
H-A-L-F. Half.
Half. In bahasa Malaysia,
S-E-T-E-N-G-A-H. Setengah.
Setengah. Okay. What about this?
Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. Quarter.
In bahasa Malaysia,
S-U-K-U. Suku.
right. Now, remember half and quarter?
Yes.
Right. Now, look at this first picture over here. This oval shape, it has been divided into 2. This is the symmetrical line. Now, look at the shaded area here. Is it showing half or quarter?
Half.
Half, correct. So this one we match to half. Look at the second shape. It had been divided into 2 symmetrical lines. And you have 4 of equal shapes. This shaded area over here, is it half or quarter?
Quarter.
Yes, this is quarter. Now look at the third shape. It had been divided into 2 symmetrical lines, and we have 4 equal shapes. This shaded area here, is it half or quarter?
Quarter.
Yes, this is quarter. Now look at this triangle, and been divided by 1 symmetrical line, and this shaded area here, is it half or quarter?
Half.
Yes, this is half. Turn to page 27. Circle the correct fraction according to the shaded parts. Now, look at this first object, a heart shape. A symmetrical line is drawn here, and the shaded area here is showing half or quarter.
Half.
Half. Good job. So we have to circle the correct fraction. How do you spell half?
H-A-L-F.
Good job. H-A-L-F. So let's circle this. Moving on. This picture over here, there are 2 symmetrical lines, 1 and 2, giving us 4 equal sizes. And this shaded area over here, is it half or quarter?
Quarter.
Good. How do you spell quarter?
Q-U-A-R-T-E-R.
Good job. Quarter. Circle. Look at the third picture. 2 symmetrical lines had been drawn, giving us 4 equal sizes. And this part over here is half or quarter?
Quarter.
Quarter. Good job. This part over here, is it half or quarter?
Half.
Half. And this part over here, is it half or quarter?
Half.
Good job. Turn to page 28. State the fraction of the shaded area. Now, this first picture, we have 1 symmetrical line drawn, and this shaded area Is it half or quarter?
Half.
Yes. How do you spell half?
H-A-L-F.
Half. Good job. What about this picture over here? There are two symmetrical lines, and this circle had been divided into 4 equal sizes. Therefore, this shaded area here, is it half or quarter?
Quarter.
Quarter. Spell quarter for me.
Q-U-A-R-T-E-R.
Good job. Now look at this triangle. It had been divided into 4 equal sizes. And this shaded area over here, is it half or quarter?
Quarter.
Quarter. Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. Quarter. This part over here, the shaded area, is it half or quarter?
Half.
Half. H-A-L-F. Half. Now this part over here, is it half or quarter?
Half.
Half. H-A-L-F. Half. Now look at this next shape. It had been divided into 4 equal sizes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, this shaded area over here, is it a quarter or half?
Quarter.
Good job. Quarter. Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. A quarter. Now look at this picture. The shaded area over here, is it half or quarter?
Half.
Half. H-A-L-F. And this last picture over here, the circle had been divided into 4 equal sizes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This shaded area over here, is it half or quarter?
Quarter.
Quarter. Good job. Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. A quarter. Well done. Now, the last exercise on fraction. Turn to page 29. Let's read the instruction. Circle the correct answer. We have a few pictures over here. First, let's identify which one is half and which one is quarter. You look at this pizza over here. Is this half or quarter of a pizza?
Half.
Half. How do you spell half?
H-A-L-F.
Good job. What about this pizza over here? Is this half or quarter?
Quarter.
How do you spell quarter?
Q-U-A-R-T-E-R.
Good job. Now, what is this picture over here? It looks like cake. This cake, is it half or quarter?
Half.
How do you spell half again?
H-A-L-F.
What about this one? Is it half or quarter?
Quarter.
Quarter. Can you please spell it out for me?
Q-U-A-R-T-E-R.
Good job. Alright, now look at these two glasses. The first glass, the water, is it full or half?
Half.
Half. How do you spell half?
H-A-L-F.
What about the second glass? Is the water full or half?
Full.
Full. This is how you spell full. F-U-L-L. Full. Penuh. In bahasa Malaysia, penuh. Alright. Now let's read the statement and then we circle the correct answer. Try the first one. Mother cuts the pizza and Danny eats half of it. In bahasa Malaysia, ibu memotong pizza dan Danny makan setengah daripadanya. So which one is half? The first one or the second one?
First one.
This one, right. So let's circle this pizza. This is half of a pizza. Adam gave quarter of his cake to Sally. Adam memberi suku daripada keknya kepada Sally. So which one showing quarter of Adam's cake? The first one or the second one?
The second one.
Right, this is showing quarter of Adam's cake. Suku daripada kek Adam. Right, last. Amy drank half a glass of water. Amy minum setengah gelas air. Now, which one is showing half a glass of water? The first glass or the second glass?
The first glass.
Yes, this is showing half a glass of water. Circle. You're done. Good job.
Okay, children, that's all for today. Till we meet again, stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye.